Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my hair color and style video. So hello, I'm going to show you how to go from this to this, and it is so simple if you just follow these instructions that my husband has given us. So first we're going to need a bowl, a brush, some gloves, and of course your developer. I'm using 30 volume because I am avoiding the bleach process, but remember, if your hair is black or colored, color cannot lift color, so you're going to need some bleach and also of course professional help. So now I'm just going to apply the mixed color onto my hairline, and I like to make sure I'm only targeting the hair because you don't want to have that line where the color processed on your skin. So I'm making sure that I'm very careful. Then once I go around the whole entire hairline, front and back, I'm going to split the hair and do piece at a time, making sure that my parts are very small so that I can avoid having any spots that did not get processed. Once I get to the sides and the back, I'm just basically just pouring the color on and making sure to saturate it because those hairs are so short it's almost impossible to split it and part it on my own. So I'm just making sure that I'm getting that all the way up to the root. So like I said before, color cannot lift color. So if you previously darkened your hair with any box color or salon color, you cannot get this result. What you will have is hot roots, so anywhere that you have your virgin hair growing out, that will brighten, but the ends will stay black. So you want to make sure to seek professional help if you do need to use bleach. Once that's all on, I'm going to process for 30 minutes. If you have grays, you should process for about 40-45 minutes and then wash your hair out lightly with a gentle shampoo and some conditioner. The products I'm going to use is my Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie, Eco Styler, the green one, and Carol's Daughter Mimosa, which is a pomade that I love to shine and seal in the moisture. I'm going to go in with my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I'm going to make sure that I saturate my hair with this. And then I'm going to use the Eco Styler around the edges first, and always making sure that I use a lot on the sides and back because I want to make sure that I get the waves where I want them, and also just to keep that hair kind of tamed. And then I lightly apply it to the top part of my hair. Now because I use all the moisturizing products first, my hair never ever gets crunchy. It never feels hard. It always feels soft to the touch. However, it does have hold. So that's why I love to use these products, and also the products that I use work very well with the Eco Styler, and I never have like the white flakes in my hair. So that is important to me and why I chose the moisturizing products that I chose, because they work with the Eco Styler. So I'm just taking my rat tail comb and I part down the side always. I love a gentleman's part. And then I'm going to start smoothing out my edges, and then I take it with the comb and I really sharpen where that swoop is. I never bring that first swoop down to the second swoop. I just kind of make it its own little section, and that's how I get my edges to look the way they look all the time. So once I smooth it out, then I take the comb and I part it. So basically it's like putting parts in my side individually. For the back and sides, I like to just make sure that the curls are super defined. So with my finger and the comb, I use it together to really smooth out the curl in an upward motion. And that is pretty much it because my hair is super tapered at all times. I don't really have to smooth out or finger coil or finger anything my back of the hair or sides because I like to keep it really short. It's a perk of living with your hairstylist. You just kind of say, hey, this is kind of long, so let's get rid of it. So I'm basically doing the same thing, but this time I did not put a side part of my hair. I just kind of let the hair from the top hang over to that side, but because my sides are tapered, I do go and swoop the sides to match the opposite side. So as you can see, I'm just finger coiling my hair in the longest parts to make sure that the curls are nice and defined and always laying down. And that is the completed look. It is so easy. I hope that this answered all of your questions, especially the color. I get a lot of questions on the color. So if you try this look out, please tag me on Instagram at BeautybyLee. Until my next video, stay beautiful.